Good morning, traders, and welcome to iForex, and welcome also to this morning's daily market opportunity. In this morning's opportunity, I'll be considering the US dollar Japanese yen. I'm currently on the daily time frame, and I will be taking a long trade at the market price of 151.89. Now, as we've covered on these videos before, beginning of 2024, prices down here around about 142. Since which time we've had a really good move to the upside. Price is very, very well supported, and in fact we've been tracking sideways here for the last few weeks because we are ticking along the highs which have last seen in November 2023. And the question is, who is going to push this market first in order to break above this 152 area effectively, and how can this be played? I think the answer to that is, first let's just go back and have a look at the weekly time frame. And again, not only are we on the November 2023 highs, we are also on the November 2022 highs, and that's where we've come from back here in July. The whole way down around about 120, up at 151 now, 152 pushing. I think the answer to this one is that this is a very high risk trade to buy the market on this level. And the way to mitigate the risk obviously is to go in with a smaller position than possibly than normal, and to expect that there may be some reaction once we get above, and therefore give a slightly wider stop than normal as well. So I'm going to open up my trade on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, that trade has now been opened, and what I'll be looking for is to have the target up at 156, as we've had on other trading ideas for this particular pair. 156 now into the market. So what I want to do is use this swing low, which comes in at 150.80 for the stop loss. So I'm going to add that in now. Let's go back to the daily time frame and see what that gives us. I'm going to bring the stop down slightly, actually, because that's very, very close on the daily time frame. Just want to give that a little bit more space down to 150.40. That's that. Put that in, and then the target I want to leave up a little bit higher, obviously at 156 going forward. So the premise is that if we break the lows from 2 or 3 days ago, got a little bit more space coming into this range here. If we get back down to this range, I probably want to be out of the trade anyway. That will indicate that price is probably going to come down even further to 148 even, and I don't want to be running that risk. So this is a high risk trade. We're just going in and looking for that pop towards 156. And it could be that once we get to 152, I might want to lighten up some of this trade in order to just ease the risk, because it may well, or certainly will, come back down onto 151, the entry price, in order to retest before it goes again. So that was the trading idea for today. It's the US dollar Japanese yen going in at the market price 151.89 and targeting 156. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for listening, and look forward to speaking to you on the next live daily market opportunity from iForex.